This Mandalo.
Early morning levels without nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. Coin wise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding in, we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. Coin wise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobelito in any market condition. Coin wise with KIMBA'S dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em. We set 'em. Pre-market off for the Lions is ready. Coin wise family and family we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting. Wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo in the morning. I'm nerding in, we nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out to coin wise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set 'em.
Test. Oh, here we are. I know. The OBS just updated this morning. Cachoya. Motherfucker. Shoutouts, Housty. How's that new intro? How's that new intro? Oh my god, that's fire. Juice. Who juicing? Hey, shoutouts to the Wise Lions. Shoutouts to KIMBA'S Den. How about those levels? Hey, shoutouts to CoinWise. Look at that. Right in the zone. Quarter VWAP? What? Biffum. The legend is right there in the chat. How you doing, Biffum? Good morning. Good afternoon to you. Let's go. even have any sound on the stream? No. I swear. I swear. Get everything set up and then OBS like wants to crash on me. Don't worry.
You lost, that's just karma. Hit 'em with the D. No FOMO, we just chill. Let the candles react, we still.
How we doing?
The profit, that's the skill. Yeah, hit 'em with the D. Open interest stuff, so I'm dialed in. POC holding, let's file in. Delta red, then I smile in.
We juicing. We juicing, Biffum. You juicing? Yeah, naked point control. Yep. How we doing, Glitch Grime? Dog, Aurum, Jay Becker. Shout out to PSG. Wrong person, Iggy Bish. Let's get it. Shout out to Buzz. Yelp is so dope. Much juicing. Holding value for now. Yeah, it was an interesting weekend, huh? Held above value the entire weekend. We got some levels to update though. This mic still sounds kind of quiet. No, is that better? Dude, I hate these fucking updates.
Hit 'em with the D, that's data. Zoom out, get clean like a shaver. The chart pull back, I'm a fager. High IQ, no need for a savior. Hit 'em with the D, that's data. Hit 'em with the D, hit 'em with the D. Seeking data where the data be. Just CVD, OI. Data is data, even if it's free. Kimba gang live streams, bitch quit playing with me.
Let's go, Yannick, Crispy, Iggy Bish. The whole stream sounds quiet. Lordy.
RTH open strong, so I wait up. Gamma map loaded, no favors. If price break structure, I cater. SFPs with a fib rotation. I don't chase, I calculate placement. They ape, I trace pure patience. My edge, pure math, no statements. TPOs, I'm inside the range. Volume ledge, got them feeling strange. Value low, then I'm in my lane. SMV WAP, just to press that pain. I ain't guessing I'm locked with a thesis. Tape move quick, I'm squeezing hyenas. All gas, no brakes, no leases. I'm a lion, I don't follow no pretense. Hit him with the D. Fibs layered like lasagna. Kimba gang,
How about now?
saga. You lost, that's just karma.
Let's get it.
Hit him with the D. No FOMO, we just chill. Let the candles react, we still. Hit the profit, that's the skill. Yeah. Hit him with the D. Open interest up, so I'm dialed in. POC holding, let's file in. Delta red, then I smile in. This ain't hope, this is stylin'. But gamma's heat, that overlay sweet. GX on deck, so I plant my feet. Let the crowd flip, I don't retreat. One good trap and I feast.
Bye.
You scroll for memes, I scroll for wicks. You buy on green, I plot my tricks. I risk and roll 3, still take that flick. Cause proper math make the profit stick. I got plans, no lotto. Narrative tight like a bottle. Saddle wild and let them wobble. We in the seat, full throttle. Hit him with the D. Fibs layered like lasagna. Kimba gang, this the new saga. You lost, that's just karma. Hit him with the D. No FOMO, we just chill. Let the candles react, we still.
Now
Hit the
I know
profit,
the music
that's
is a
the
little
skill.
louder.
Yeah. Hit him with the D. Hit him with the D. Data. Fibs layered like lasagna. Kimba gang, this the new saga. You lost, that's just karma. Hit him with the D. Data. No FOMO, we just chill. Let the candles react, we still. Hit the profit, that's the Kimba gang made another one. Kimba gang made another juice in my levels. I see it clear, no rebels.
Sounds good now.
Coffee warm, I'm settled.
We got juice in our levels.
No devil. Waiting for the tap to come.
All right, all right. Thank you. Hey, shout out to Cake Shower. Aurum. J-Bucks. Cachoya. Yeah, we just didn't spend fucking forever. Let's get the prediction points. $20 minutes till market open. All right, all right, all right, all right. Is the high in? Let's go taking profit.
I got juice in my levels, math in my blood, I'm a rebel. Patient moves minus metal. Kimba gang high on the pedals. I got juice.
It didn't set during RTH, so yeah, I know it went off. It paused. This is a fucking Cachoya. I do have my crystal ball. I wish I could show it to you, but I will say this.
Imbalance talking, I think. Open interest like a link. Don't care for loud, I read the flow. Juiced up brain, I'm moving slow. Market fake, I was come and go. Bug got edge, let him show. Back to steep, I know the math.
I will say this.
Don't I choose my path? Scout that candle quick and fast. But my comic profits last.
What the fuck?
Wait for the zone.
I know. Well,
Feel it come home.
it's like a disaster. Testing. What the fuck? Dude, we're about to go no music for a second. Because we got shit to do. Yeah, well, Wi-Fi. Is the high in? I don't even know what happened, dude. Fucking OBS. Good morning, Maestro. Cake shower. I know, dudes. Yeah, I didn't inform during RTH, so... But we didn't set the low during RTH either. It hit the level. At least it was during ETH and not over the weekend. Ooh, wee. Shout outs to Bite. Hey. Big cheers. I'm going to hit you back in a little bit. That looks like juice. All right. First and foremost, shout outs to Housty. If you missed it, catch it on YouTube on the rewind. That new intro is juicy. I love it. Big cheers. Thank you. That was a lot of hard work that went into that. It looks amazing. I'm pumped on it. I watched it so many times since he sent it to me. Hey, shout outs to Buzz and Cage for their feedback as well. Good morning. Shout outs to the entire team. That's right. That's right. Hey, big shout outs to CoinWise. And let's get our levels up. There we go. Previous day levels, previous week levels. Make sure that they're tight on this chart. Previous day value area high, 72,409. Wait a minute. There we go. Let's try that again. 74,514. Value area low. 73,395. Pretty tight for the value range. Point of control, 73,994. Get these little things set up and be ready to roll with the rest of our session. $73,395. Point of control, 73,994. And value area high was 74,514. And previous week, 71,891. Yeah, we broke out of value and just held it real nice, didn't we? Previous week was right at previous month value area high. Broke out from there over the weekend. We held structure pretty well. Came back, retest, and go. Expansion, we had 3 rotation days where we closed outside of value and did not rotate. Instead, we retested value area high in each one of those sessions. Yep, value area high retest here on Sunday. value area high yesterday. Off the open, retest value area high, and go. Pretty clean for bullish momentum. My reservation about some of this is when we go to a higher time frame, and maybe I'll just go into a different chart for that. I'm gonna have to move the previous week value area low as well. 69,335. So that weekly rotation is not a big one. Yeah, if we accept back inside, it's, I mean, that still holds structure in higher time frame. Hey, look at you, you're a mermaid. Excuse me. Daily. So a really, really nice thing is we had 8 green candles in a row. That hasn't happened since 2024. And we've only had it like 3 times since 2020. 2021. That's pretty interesting. My problem is that we're doing that. Look at this volume. The volume down here. You know, it's cool that we did yesterday on higher volume. You know, it's pretty natural in RTH or in a New York session. But how about through here? I mean, it's a weekend and you're expanding upwards, closing outside the range. That was nice. Weekly, we did close above value, which is good. The not as good thing is we didn't close above the high. We closed that weekly gap. At least that part of it. Let's pull this all the way. Yeah, and we are closing outside of value. Let's go 4 hour. Hey, oh my goodness. 76,430. Where did you get that one? Are you still in it? Or you, how'd you get filled? Hey, love you, Buzz. I know it's no music. It's all effed up. OBS updated like 15 minutes before the stream and none of the things were Gucci. Yeah, I fucked everything up. We're gonna try it again. How about now? Is it overpowering? So it went from playing it all together to not at all. Sweet.
The trades I'm taking, they can't even imitate it. Stop playing, but I'm calm, I'm waiting. So tap, no hesitation, just patience, know what I'm saying. Data is my foundation. All I'm taking is full rotation.
How we sounded? Can you hear music? Hey, who's ready for FOMC? Oh, good job. Jesus Christ. Who's ready for St. Patty's Day? Shoutouts calling noob. Let's go. Shoutouts CoinWise. So look at the Irish is with ya. Oh, 75. Let's go, Coke Zero. I was like, man, you must have had like, what are you trading on? Like, Bit or something? Dude, it was 30 minutes of fucking trying to fix the music. No joke. No joke. Yeah, this little box was like for the something. Oh, IB. I don't care about that right now. IB is way up here, which is kind of interesting. This box is a high time frame box. Okay, so this goes all the way back to daily closes back in April last year. That's the lowest daily close we got last year. That's what was interesting to me, all the way down to the previous year low. And if you wanted to draw it all the way down to this box, which we are now trading below, and daily candle looking a lot better if you want lower. However, we need to close back inside the range for real. For real. And there is a comparison to, what was it, the pretty much last couple months back in January, where we were range for like 2 months. And we actually closed outside the range and tucked back in on the next daily candle. And while Bitcoin futures and spot and everything closed outside. Who is more important than Binance? Who's more important than Coinbase? You guessed it. You guessed it. Sweep on the daily on CME. Sweep the sweep on CME ETH. So, if you're bullish, there's no reason not to be, but cautious. If you're bearish, you can argue that case. However, S&P is pumping now. We're coming into a major news day tomorrow. No gap. Just yesterday's gap. Trade back inside here, except back below PDEQ. Looking better for closing the gap. All the way back to that value area high retest. Weekly value area high. Weekly open on CME. That could be interesting. A little sweep down into about the 50 of the gap. This is no good. That's no good, and RTH did not have the same run that happened, you know, right before Asia opened. NES is pumping. So we'd like to see that in RTH if it's going to happen. Maybe Band-Aid. How we doing? E-juicing. Get out your umbrellas. Get out your umbrellas. Yeah, technically a gap down on RTH. Weekly settlement for real? I don't know about that. Oh, it's because I have it clicked on RTH. How about that 0.9% chance of rate cuts? Fill the gaps. There. Which one? That one? You know, it could fill this gap and still go all the way back down. I'm not even kidding. No cap. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. How you doing? Are you back in Florida? Or are you still traveling around? We've had the craziest weather the past week. It was like 90 degrees on Tuesday and Wednesday last week. It snowed the other day. It's now like right at 1 degree or 1 Celsius. It's fucked up. 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So like mid-30s. Fredward. We are going to be here for FOMC. I'm not going to be here for PPI. I got to IRL work in the morning. Yeah, me rushing back. Fill the gap at an 8K. Let's get it. Let's go, Mouse Like. Maestro. Shout out to all the people juicing on the CoinWise giveaways. Yeah, and lots of other giveaways. We have had some BTCC. If you saw Kimba's post, there's some other ones coming up after that BTCC concludes. But they've been doing giveaways for over a month. Shout outs to BTCC and Kimba. BTCC still has the deposit bonuses and the fee rebates, if I'm not mistaken. KCEX depot bonuses. BLOFIN still have the trading competition. Shout outs to Space Trade, exclamation Space Trade. Fred, were you going to be here tomorrow for FOMC? That's dope. Maybe a Band-Aid. Yeah, and your home base is close enough. That would be easy for a little jump over if you needed to. That's cool. Yeah, let's get it. BTCC, and that's what the live trading is on. Shout out to Kimba Live Trading. Check out the pin. All right. Shout outs to Calling Noob. Shout outs to all the Irish Lions. We're all from Lithuania. We're all Lithuanian. And still in this range. Looking good for getting back inside that. The 67.20. Big news days, lower volume. Usually preceding that. So, you know, I've said this in the past. While we may get some setups today, I think that there was a nice setup last night. Coke Zero took advantage of it. Who got short on that one last night? Yeah, I know it might have been a little scary. Range breakout. Things were looking juicy, weren't they? We've been planning for it though. Exclamation prepared. Daily. We've been planning for it. I know, dude. I know, maybe. Yeah, I thought they could have. I mean, that high in TPO is no good. Even though, I mean, at least you got like the cleaner, I guess. What's the high right here? 988. It's like a $30 high. $35. Previous year low. Back to being resistance again. The previous high from over here is in blue. 2-minute recap. Not the best TPO high. Higher time frame. You know, you go up to like even an hour. Looks a lot better of a high. 4 hour looks good. Daily looks good. CME looks like a good high. The one reservation we have about that high is that it was during ETH and not RTH. Some more longs coming in. Some of those top longs got stopped out. We got a whole lot of longs in. Yeah, I was looking at historically. You leaving? Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi, everybody.
Love you.
Love you.
Juice! Juice!
Juice.
Baby, I'm working, okay?
You put me in my car seat.
Mama's gonna do it, alright? Okay, have fun. That's right, we gotta get baby Mandalo in here. She's taken over. She's already taken over the house, I'll tell you that. Yeah, and then Little Man's next. She's learning to walk, kind of. Holding on to stuff.
Kimba, no mames, wey. Catch boy.
We were talking about this on Thursday, the fact that Biddy was pushing range highs and ES was barely holding range lows. That we would probably get a pump if ES bounced. But again, the timing of it, I would have liked to have seen it, you know, when more volume was coming in. Yeah, it really hasn't been too much pushing us back up here. Probably we'll get some if we get a real RTH pump back to those highs again. Maybe into the 75 gap. But at this point, I don't know. 40 degrees back in Florida? Jeez. Yeah, I know, this weather can't make up its mind. It wanted summer to come early last week, and like we were going to the beach and stuff. Support, crucial support is 71 and 70, and then like 69, 68, 8, that area. And then you have like the whole, well, let's pull the point of control. We'll update it. And I can pay out the candle points too. Oof. 5-minute candle points. Session open. Green. Hey, CoinWise just came out with a new education lesson on indicators. Let's get it. 80s to 90s inland. That is pretty warm, especially this time of year. $5.50 a gallon. Holy shit. Holy shit. Congratulations to the green enjoyers.
Juice up.
Pretty fast how these charts get filled up. It was clean last week. You'll see I turn off the levels really quick. $68.9 point of control now. And you hit the prior point of control was like 68 to 67.5. But this is all pretty interesting. You got a high volume node right up through here. I know it's a little dim, but 69.2. And structurally, those lows right here, I can see them being defended. They are no good though. And I'm talking about this. That's not really very good. That's no good. That's no good. You got plenty of levels. 65. Come on. Yeah, that whole level, 69. Golden pocket. Yeah, maybe even like, you really don't want it to come back down here, and it goes beyond just like fibs and this structure. The point of that is, we come back in here and start closing. That looks a lot like acceptance back inside the range. And weekly, that's not that bad to rotate. You know, it even could like hold structure here. You know, you got fibs and everything. That's nice. Oh, hi Banshees, let's go. Shout out to hi Banshees, thank you for the gift subs. He juicing. Hi Banshees is gifting over in YouTube also. Huge. 50 gift subs. Hey, much love, hi Banshees. He juicing. He TP'd 75 and flipped short. You know what it is. He juicing. Get your umbrellas out. Make sure you thank hi Banshees. Let's go. Let's go, Dolkong. Congratulations to everyone who received the generosity from iBanshees. Hey, shout outs to Piyush and Jay Connor. Kimba Gang always over on YouTube as well. Let's go Michael for life. Let's go Superman. iBanshees. He juicing. Shout outs to iBanshees. Let's go. Thank you, brother. Hey, you need to see anything? You'd like to see anything in the chart? I know that you're juicing. Shout out to PSG. Yeah, he's representing. Let's go, Maestro. Let's go, Karoon. Grime. I know maybe juicing too. Coke Zero juicing. Pixel top short. You got him right here. That's probably his average entry is 70, 75, 8. Yeah, he laddered it all the way to 77, probably all the way to single print. Juicy. Maybe. I know that he shorted that. Hey, do not short right here. Not the greatest idea. Yep, and you ladder. That's right. Let's go.
I ain't seen a thing.
Let's go. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Shout outs to iBanshees. Big shout outs to Biffum and Colin Noob. Hey Blade. Hey Blade in the chat. Rogerlicious. Let's go JV. Valentina, you're baby juicing. Hey, juice is juice. Next one's gonna be even more juicy, isn't it? Single print? Or is S&P open? Yeah, S&P is open. Yeah, we had time change. It is. And S&P is pumping. Yeah, 6,800 levels to the top side. I mean, maybe these highs up here. 6800 is interesting. But we had talked about that 6850 that day. It's decorrelating. Well, motherfucker, it just pumped like 15% against S&P. And then it took the highs. What do you mean? Yeah, that's pretty interesting for S&P. Up through here. You get there though, and there's 6,900. It's kind of like the big boss. It's trying to get back inside value. Start. If we close up here, it's gonna look better, but you know, we have FOMC tomorrow. We have monthly expiry on Friday. If I get a free minute, I'm gonna pull up the daily chart of CME, and it's like an interesting point I wanted to make. Hey, talent show later. Exclamation talent show, exclamation dashboard for the full stream schedule, for links to all the juicy exchanges that we are trading on. Make sure you get your UIDs set up for as many as you can, really, because you don't know what the next giveaway is going to be. But BTCC has been juicing us up the past month plus. Shout out to them and Kimba. Just about everybody's won. Stand up if you have not won yet. JV just 100x shorted. Let's go, Sato. Sato alt account. Hey, you're making some beautiful content for Who Juicing! Exclamation Who Juicing! We're gonna have a Who Juicing tomorrow, right before we come up for the meeting. Let's go, Curvies. Exclamation Who Juicing! Yeah, who caught that yesterday? So funny. I like the KCEX UI also, but it's so juicy to trade TRADFI pairs. And you can't argue with that fee rebate. Who would like to see Bingo again tomorrow? For the presser, Aster went Dilda. Mike Life. We'll look at Disaster in a little bit. Remind me. Remind me. That. Oh my goodness. Let's short the bottom. They just had to break that. They were like, well, let's clean that. Let's just short that. The daylights out of it. Well. That quarterly VWAP, I mean, that's yearly VWAP too, but you know, we're in Q1, so it's the same thing. You missed the last one's Grime? Yeah, it's gonna be fun. I got a whole list of terms from the last one that it's gonna be a little bit different than last time. But shout out to Cage for putting that together. Yeah, looking forward to it. Yeah, nice to get a test run of all the new OBS settings today, and everything should be juicy tomorrow. Smooth and seamless. We're gonna have Cage and Housty up here with me. We're gonna be juicing. You'll have plenty of opportunities to see it, but got a new intro, and I'm super pumped about it. Yeah, I love it. Shout out to Housty. Shout out to the entire team. Shout out to the whole team. Big cheers. Buzz, Cage, Housty, Cypher, Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy, Coin Nerd. Shout out to CoinWise. Let's Let's go Bite. Let's go Gypsy. And of course, the man himself, Kimba. Hey, shout outs ready. Bite. Let's go, Mark. Shout outs to PSG. Huge shout outs to PSG. Maybe. Maybe. Are you still holding your long? Code, did you TP all of your long? Where should I trade? What should I do? Oh, I turned all the levels off. There we go. PDEQ. Ooh, wait. We want to hold it if we're bullish. Below VWAP. Below developing VWAP for the weekly. To the downside, previous week VWAP in a good area. Previous week point of control, monthly VWAP. All of this could be support if we trade back down here. We've got bad lows that we could clean. And wouldn't even need to like lose weekly value, which previous week value area low is around here. Yeah, trying to keep it cleaner with all the lines marked and everything. But if you want to see it, I'm getting a little scratch in my throat. Yeah, this is the first level if we lose that. We're still holding value though.
Useless Lines Records.
Yeah, it could. I mean, look at that. That's fucked up. How much was that? Oh my god, it's like 150 million. Oil TA? Did you see Kimba's Den? It's very geopolitically linked. Fortunately, let's go crypto jammies. Out of longs. I feel you, Coke. Yeah. Oh, oil. All right, let me show you the daily thing I was talking about. There's nothing to really say about this. Our first half hour is closed. Let's go to full screen. Daily. And let's turn a couple indicators off. This is quarterlies. Contract switch, that's when we're adjusting. Okay? So you know. That's when we're adjusting. Adjust for contract changes. I know you can't see it on the bottom of my screen. I got everything covering it up. But, and mind you, we are on the daily. Let's go back to March of last year. I went back too many Marches. timing was a little different, but what day is that?
Plenty zones, but this edge feeling right, oh. Give
Oh.
me math control. Slow
Oh.
tap through the night, oh. Let me see, let me know that you trust in the line. Are you waiting for time, oh? We don't chase, we align.
No.
My chart, that I play it smart. I don't leave high blind.
Let's go back to March the year before.
These are the moves I love. 'Cause you know, baby,
Nice little run we had here. I thought I had cleared that stuff off. That was old TA. And there's our day right there. Kind of fuck around a little bit. $23 isn't as bad. I mean, that's not that bad. Many of you probably have noticed this, but if you didn't, yeah, 23 isn't bad at all. We already had the nuke there. We kind of already had the nuke here. Maybe that's the, this time is different. How about in 22? Oh.
useless lines records. I said whole lot of damn
Well, a
juice.
couple more days.
Playing with me. Kimba gang. Kimba gang. Who juicing gang?
Can't even fit it all on the screen.
Kimba gang.
And that was before breaking from this. Now this is RTH.
Kimba gang. Who juicing gang? PSG gang.
But just something to be aware of. I'm not saying that anything is gonna happen. Just timing. Timing. Okay? Thought that was a little interesting. Alright, let's go to oil. Gold's hanging around that 5K. Kimba posted some pretty interesting ideas in the Kimba's Den. So if you haven't seen that yet, make sure you check it out. Oh. This is an Adam and Steve. I'm just kidding. When was that? Jeez. 22. You think it'll clean 129? Just keep going to $200 a barrel. Please no. When was that? Oh wait, oh. Not that this is like alpha or anything, but like, what happened in 2008 that oil spiked so hard? Oil wasn't the only thing that had a pullback. What happened in 22 that oil spiked so hard? Oil wasn't the only thing that had a pullback.
Useless Lines Records.
So all the 200K Bitcoin enjoyers, just manage your risk. I know you guys are. You lions. New moon tomorrow. Let's go, Fredward. Hey, first day of spring is coming up this weekend, I think. About time. About time. Let's get gold up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, we've been hearing a little bit about this area. That's pretty interesting. We're on the weekly. That's insane. Insane. I don't think gold's been worth that much since like ancient Egypt. Same kind of structure. What's that retracement? Held the, pretty much held the 7.5, 7.86. What's that 7.505 bullshit? Yeah, cleaning this. And we said it was 420. I think that was value area high when we pulled it. Gold's a crazy graph. It is. It looks like a shitcoin, doesn't it? Okay, just for fun, let's look at Dixie. We hit 100. Yeah, because I don't think that we'll have a chance to. We're going to be really, really crunching to get it all in before the meeting, but we'll watch it a little bit. Oh, equal highs. Failed auction above all of this range. $95. 95 cents, whatever. Hey, CoinWise is working on some really juicy things. Coming soon. New education lesson came out today. Juicy. We saw the levels a little while ago. Marked them up on the chart. So much juice. Holding the gap. Feel it. Who juicing gang? Now I need to figure out which ones I turned off. Nope, not that one. Yeah, maybe it'll just consolidate in this area. Even if it pulls back to like 71, we'll wait to see what Jay Powell says. And kind of either pump. First move to debate though, isn't it? 60K? I don't know. We're pretty far from it right now though. That's like a 25% pullback almost. 20%? I don't know. I think if it goes back, it's gonna overshoot it. Yeah. 69, 67, yeah. 6 or 7. I know that wasn't really fitting, but I just had to do it. Yeah, let's go Co-Zero. Here with Bay Dog, we going higher. On gold. On oil. On Biddy. Let's go Fib Apper, Crypto Jammies. Fredward. Are you a moon trader? When moon? And Fredward. You never know. Bitcoin's at 73K. S&P is $200 from all-time highs. What if 6100 doesn't hold? What if that doesn't hold? That's pretty far. $38's interesting on Bitcoin. That's scary. We talked about that though, like 42, 43. It's so far. It's so far. We need to just worry about what's in front of us right now. But Biddy front ran the 31 when it first broke out. The retest of 31. And 28K has always been pretty interesting on Bitcoin too. Let's face it. If that's the higher low, that's juice. If 60K that we set last month is the higher low, be prepared. Be prepared. I hope I didn't say it like that. Okay. When is strategy gonna sell? Hey, they're almost at their average entry again. They're trying to save their frickin' quarter. What's their average entry now? He said he's never selling. I've read some interesting pieces on that. Week starts on Monday. Yes, Pedro. Weekly open is UTC midnight Monday morning. So like, I don't know. I'm trying to do the math. Carry the 2 like 40 hours ago. No, 38 hours ago, something like that. It's still 75K. More shorts coming in. Jeez. S&P, help us. We need to look at the S&P chart for that. Oh, before I do that, let's look at ETH. That's ugly. Not as nice of a high as Bitcoin. We'll look at Sol too. Yeah, if we get it one more little push, I don't know, all the way up to like 2450 maybe. That's a pretty big gap up here. It's a pretty big gap. But even just that. 2620 was pretty interesting a long time ago. Yeah, it was structure for that. Yeah, what do you think about that 2100? That was a big level. Where did we open? Really? That's pretty nice. Chart's looking not too bad. Yeah, it was Sol. Last one real quick. Oh, it's a different layout. I'm a dumbass. The old TA. Clean. Clean. Still in that channel. They did pump though. Broke out from here. Yeah, it's got room. It's room. It could trade all the way to the top of the channel. You really for ETH. You want it to break out of the channel.
Young kings push whips, paint dripping like gold. See the flex, see the set. Yeah, we came from the cold. Now we stacking up digits, got the bankroll swole. If you talking that talk, better back it up.
We've had this channel in here since last year.
From the block to the yacht, we be moving major. Got the streets on lock like we signed to a major.
Soul. And that was from the old lows.
Check it.
Yeah, holding that value area low.
Pull up like a Don wrist on Aquafine drip.
Turn that point of control into support.
New whip too sick, got me swerving through lanes with a big 4/5 in case
Kimba's
they
got his
ask
own
me
ideas
why.
about this.
The hate in their eyes, but I just laugh. Cause when the numbers add up, they do the math. Kimba gang move heavy, no lightweight team.
I
I'm screaming Kimba gang,
am
gang.
not thrilled with these highs. But I'm not mad at them. Hold up here today. Hold up here this week. It's going to look a lot better for running potentially all the way up into the low 100s range. You're going to have a lot of resistance if it is able to make it all the way up to like the 110 to 120 zone. And then like 120 is like kind of the big dog that we were trading pretty much all last year.
Clap, clap. Big Kimba.
Yeah, there's room. Room to go. Yeah, and let's just look at it locally. Outside value. If you missed the boat and you want to be in a position anywhere down to like 85 once again, but holding this is better. And we're really like trying to hold above those highs. It's fighting it. Somewhere through here, the 91 to 93. I'm not trying to long that. If it is going to be for real, I want to see like a little bit more of a push and a little bit more of a pullback. But that's how I would be approaching it if I was looking for something on Soul. I was being a little bit facetious, Fat Pony, but yeah. We were just trying to correlate global events with the peaks in oil, and then just consider a little bit about what is occurring within the current landscape. Yeah, but shout out to you for going and looking all the way back at 1980. I heard stories about that, like people, and I know that it happens in a lot of other places in the US, even though back in that era, there was like super long lines for gas and they were rationing and stuff. I hear about it it's happened in some places around the world these days even. Buzz was saying, I think Buzz said that it's like that right now. 57 billion. Yeah. That's for strategy, right? Yeah, in Thailand. Shout out to Maestro. You can only get $10. That's like 1 gallon. Wait, you guys do it in liters there, huh? It sucks. I think it was like that in the US in the 80s. They had like limitations for how much you could get, and then you still were like running out. They I think during 2020 they had it for a little bit and people were hoarding it. They were fucking filling up Tupperware containers in fucking plastic bags and shit. The dumbest shit, dude. It's like Florida man stuff. No offense, maybe Band-Aid. Really? Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy. Let's see what's going on. Not a whole lot of, not that much. Yeah, it was holding the pullback. Holding that pullback to the 7.5. It was holding it until stream started. It's not that bad yet. But the 886. Help me. Shouts to the 886 gang. You're a Florida man also, Maestro? Let's go. Yeah, Mrs. Mandalo is a Florida woman. Dude, I want to go to this Florida man games. That looks so fun. I don't want to compete in it, but I think it would be funny. Let's go, Frota. Let's go, Frota. Let's get it, Curvies. You been trading Soul? I like the way she moves. Yeah, sometimes she feels like a little bit like you gotta carry her that done it. I used to love trading Soul. Beer and Gators. I mean, where could that go wrong? I'm so psyched for FOMC tomorrow. I can't wait for some bingo. You got some good terminology in here. One of them, of course, the legendary, just close the fucking door. That'll never happen again. If you missed that, if you weren't here, if you never saw it in the highlights, I don't even know when it happened, but I'm sure that you could find it pretty easily in the highlights. But man, you got to see the clip of that. It was amazing. Yeah, Fredward, for real. Like, I used to have that on my feed, just like Florida Man articles or something. Yeah, bingo auto. Yep. For real. It should be like that. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, maybe Guitar Guy is on there. Shout out if you were here for that one or saw it on the highlights. Yeah, back in the day. And it was like in 22 or something. Maybe it was 23, but everything was like not looking super great. And we were just waiting on Biden. Oh, dude, shout out to the Biden song. You remember that? Forgot about that one. But it was like some like White House like speech or something, but it was on the lawn. And we were like all like huddled up, waiting for it, like planned, prepared, expecting some juice. And motherfucking James Taylor comes out, and he's like some 70s guitar guy. And I mean, he like had good music back in the day, but like it was completely unexpected. And just shout out to the Guitar Guy. That shit was so funny. Yeah, Kimba freaked out. It was hilarious. Shout out to Kimba. If you were here for that, you know. If you weren't, try to find it. I'm sure that the Discord will be able to help you locate it. Yeah, but you ever hear him come back on and talk about the Guitar Guy, that's what he's talking about. Shout outs to the Guitar Guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you never heard James Taylor music either, it's not bad.
Kimba gang, yeah. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Waiting on the
That's right, Kimba gang always. Happy St. Patty's. Yeah. Using Kiyatoka. I have it. I haven't played around with it all that much. Yeah, as far as heat maps go, I think Market Monkey is like doing something where they have like some pretty decent heat maps, and Velo does it too. But it's not like it's got all the pairs or anything, or all the exchanges, but man, trading light went down again. God's sakes, man. I guess that's hard. Soon we'll be back and the sun will shine again. Did it really again? Same time of year as last time. Let's go BTCC, I-19.
Short squeeze pop, then I offload quick. Wait on the trend, then we step in. Pop a lot size, never stressing. Kimba gang up,
hey, get them together, Biden singing and Trump dancing, and like, dude, we are all wrecked. Fred, we're hitting him with the goose. Husty hit him with the goose and the juicy intro. Yeah, I feel like I'm like taking it up a notch. I'm getting like closer to the cool kids. I love the old song though. And that intro is cool, like all the lightning and stuff. Yeah, we'll still be seeing that one sometimes. But I'm digging this new one. Settlement, Kachoy. I know, dude. Well, stop making all these cat videos. Yeah, they were talking about that. Like, if people weren't just like making these stupid AI videos, and they wouldn't be like taxing the power grid, all these fucking tree huggers. I need my cat videos. I need them. There's one. Hey, shout outs to the Ukraine viewer. Who is it? I don't know how Kimbo looked that up. I might have to find out from UC and Cage. Shout out to all the international viewers. I saw this thing on Ukraine. I don't even know if it's real, but they have like hard lines going everywhere, or fiber optics from like house to house or something, and it looks like is that real? I never cross-referenced it, but it looked fucked up. It was on like Instagram or Twitter or something. I mean, it looked like spider webs like over the entire like trees and shit. Is that for real? Oh yeah, the drones or something. They had them like hardwired. I don't know how they would wouldn't get tangled. It's for real? Damn. That's nuts. That's so crazy. Let's go booty diving. Shout outs on the name. That's fucking hilarious. Love it. Makes me think of Tropic Thunder. Fredward. You know what I'm talking about? I think Kimba even played that one on stream before. I'd be playing some booty sweat on here if I wasn't so worried about like getting copy stricken or whatever. You know, we play that little clip at the end of FOMC every time because it's tradition, and so far we've been okay. Let's go for a word. That movie is classic. Tropic Thunder, if you don't know what I'm talking about. Couple of single prints on ES. It's looking like a trend day for now. Maybe we get a clean. Maybe it kind of tracks up here. We'll range around a little between 67 and 68.50 until the presser. Super looking. Uh-oh, Mark Lou. Well, either way, it's gonna make for some juicy exclamation who juicing content. Can't wait to see it. Yeah, exclamation welcome, Calling Noob. Shouts Calling Noob. Happy St. Patty's to all the Irish and Irish enjoyers. If you don't have some Irish in you, you want some? Okay. I have a fraction of Irish in my lineage, and some Native American also. So if you call me racist, I'm not. We're all lions. No stressing, just cruising. Oh yeah, more profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? Kimba gang. We're all lions. Who stacking? Kimba gang. Kimba gang. Who flexing? Kimba gang. Kimba gang. We no stressing now. We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just pay my parts. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. Living life, we going up. I haven't played around with it, Michael. I can't really walk you through it. Sorry. Maybe in the Discord. I've seen a few people using it in there. Yeah, Wise Lions popping off. Kimba's Den popping off. If you want to join the Wise Lions chat. Maestro, dude. Yeah, we gotta have fun though, right? It's all dad jokes. VWAP first stop, yeah. Yeah, maybe these highs, like, that's pretty bad. Up to the ETH Open, maybe. start getting closes above point of control though, and we might run for those highs. At level 74, 745. I'll mark that and then flick it over to ETH. See what we're looking at. Yeah. Yeah. That's. Yeah, you could clean that. Oh, but we gotta get 2 letters, 1 word in the chat. Hey, shout outs to PSG. Hey, big cheers, Maestro. I can't wait till we get shift commands back, but I know that that's unlikely. What's in? You have like a direct link to chats with him. Yeah, and you know, he'll share a little bit more plans than he puts in the KIMBA'S Den. It's VIP YouTube membership, Wise Lion. I mean, like the NFT, the Lions of Liquidity NFT holders have access, and VIP Discord members have access to it. So you just gotta set up in the dashboard afterwards. But plenty of people can help you in the Discord, exclamation Discord, with setting that up if you wanted to join it. But it's juicy. Yeah, KIMBA'S been really, really helpful with all of the juice that he's been sharing in KIMBA'S Den, though. It's not. It's community-made music. ILO. Oh, I lose again. Yeah, it's community generated. Oh, let's get it. Oh, we want to see the Gammas, huh? I should pull them up. Should pull them up. Ooh. Ooh. 2 letters, 1 word, meaning of life. Oof. It's a lot below. Something big, 6720. Yeah. You're trading above a lot. And we're trying to reclaim Gex Flip. Let's see on index. What? That is a huge premium. That's a huge premium. Yeah, it's you know, like 20 points is pretty common. 10, 20 points has been a lot recently. Man, these Boo Gammas. Holding us. Oh, and S&P pulls back and Bitcoin decorrelates again. Let's get it. CME as a driver. Is Bitcoin going to play catch up now? Bottom shorts don't help. Not a whole lot, though. It's not that big. Oh, EXO. That doesn't look good. I mean, like, visually, it did not look good. Yeah, it's like 7 million. It's nothing. All right, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back.
Now the session's hot, ETH is done, the RTH bell, that's where we run, the price comes close, we're watching tight, gap feels fast, better play it right, don't get caught when the wick runs deep, dipping fast, better stay on your feet, the market's wild, but we in control, dip your toes, then let it roll.
That's the play every single time, next time it dips, you know the way, dip the tip, then right away. Let it work, let it flip, oh, we don't slip.
Gap fill, can't feel with my mind. Feds ain't cutting rates, but I'm still ballin'. Market choppy, but my gang still callin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Power be talking, but we know we bluffin'. Kimber gang lettuce, we stay puffin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Kimber gang eat, we
Let's go, Coke Zero.
FOMC got them all crawling. We just need that data, then we all in. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. No
CBD
rate cuts,
div.
but I'm still
Nice.
ballin'. Joycing up the charts, got them jaw dropping. Fed tryna front, but we know they flopping. Jerome talking tough, but we peep that game. Ain't no pivot yet, but my bag ain't changed. Proper risk to reward, that's
Single
the lane
print
we
hold.
claim. Charge do the talking, I don't need no fame. CPI hot, but the bid still stacking. S&P wobble, but I ain't panicking.
Let's see the
Go to
CBD.
fifth touch, then I'm re-racking. Pull back lights, so they buys keep clapping. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Kimber gang eat, we ain't stallin'. FOMC got them all crawling. We just need that data, then we all in. No rate cuts, but I'm
Yeah,
still
local
ballin'.
and
No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Joycing up the charts, got them jaw dropping. Fed tryna front, but we know they flopping.
Wow, that's
Options got
confluence.
weight, I don't need no
Let's look
look.
at the
Power press drop, then we run it up. They front like doves, but they moving like hawks. So I hedge my bets, gotta play with some smarts. CME too low, I ain't trusting that. Liquidity traps, I ain't touching that. B&B fake pump, so I fade that cap. You front run, FMC shit me too, I ain't mad at that. No rate cuts, but I'm
When was
still ballin'.
Div's video coming out this week too?
FOMC got them all crawling. We just need that data, then we all in. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Fib levels clean, I ain't fallin'. Joycing up
Yeah,
the charts,
how
got them
about
jaw
on-
dropping. Fed tryna front, but we know they flopping.
How about
Joycing these charts like it's
on
nothing.
blame candles?
Power be talking, but we know he bluffing. Kimber gang up and the profits keep running. No rate cuts, but I'm still stunting. No rate cuts, but I'm still
blame
ballin'.
Yeah. Lower low, higher low. Mm-hmm. Shouts Coke Zero. I think this is their invalidation for Edward. And I mean, people who were playing the failed auction. We tucked back inside for a couple of candle closes. Back inside that low, but we've pretty much been holding. Like barely closed below at 8 or at 8 New York time. Noon UTC. That's not looking so bad. Rotate. Value area low, value area high. Daily rotation. Question mark. Pretty close to it. Shouts CoinWise. The levels. Setting it up nicely. Hey, any of the giveaway enjoyers been digging the levels? Coke is Coke isn't pumping. He's short. He probably took this though. Local clean. Don't be mad at him. This is Fredward. Let's go call a noob. Yeah. I know, I was thinking about it too. If I wasn't streaming, I might have scalped it. I wasn't really playing it for that. It's not bad though. I might have liked to see like a wick outside before, but it held both value area low and PDEQ and fibs. I mean, if you look at closes, even from the origin of the pump, but from the local low, pretty nice. And ES pumping. I mean, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What? Oh, that's the wrong one. Yeah, look at that VWAP. Where is that from? Should have pulled it from here.
Yeah. Kachoy all day. Kachoy all night.
Is it locked?
Kachoy is the way. Kachoy is the vibe. Kachoy. Sato long, that's kachoy. Sato short, that's kachoy.
Oh, from here.
Kachoy. That's kachoy. That's kachoy.
How come it won't let me pull it?
Kachoy on them hoes. Kachoy long. Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. That's kachoy.
I'm just deleting that one.
Baby kachoy. Sato is a kachoy.
I know this is like some next level of frickin' diversion. Wants to get back above it. Bull market is back, baby. Come on now. Come on. Previous day equilibrium. It's previous day mid. So for that daily session, it's the 05 Fibonacci. It's nice to have it marked on here. You can mark it yourself by doing that. But man, all that manual input, it takes time. Yeah, we used to do it every single level by hand. That was a catchoy. Time Raccoon, Goblin Town. Shout outs to you. Somebody's been around since 2021. At least. Yeah, Goblin Town, 70K.
Market makers.
I saw a pretty funny AI video of Frodo going to Pawn Stars with the ring. The shit was pretty good. Anybody see that cut? It is a level of interest. Chaplain. Soon reverse the big RTH moves. No, we're looking at RTH right here. We didn't reverse that. That was a big move. Yeah, pull back. A lot of the gaps. A lot of the gaps the hourly. Just pushing up on range highs once again. And that is a lot of gaps. We had a whole lot of gaps when all this was forming. Yeah, I'm not even gonna go and like, it's gonna be a lot of scanning in around. We're just gonna check this out for the last few minutes. Kind of owe you guys a few extra minutes beyond 11. Let's see if we can break above this. I bet my instincts are saying, and this feels and smells is not data, but my instincts are saying we close below in this hourly. I guess hourly because it's not really. But in the next half hour to the UTC 4-hour close, we trade above that, maybe touch back in. That reaction is the one that I'm waiting for, to see if we get closes above and fail, to see if it is a swing fail. But that's where I'm kind of considering. Huge order block until 77K. Yeah, and that's gap fill. That's the first gap fill, and you got a single print above there. I'm so ready. Yeah. No. Fredward, I gotta find it. Hey, have you seen that Tokyo Drift one? There's some funny ones of that. Walking out with like Han sitting on the car. That shit is hilarious. I liked that movie. At the time, like, people didn't give it credit because, you know, it wasn't like the original. Angel of Death, not really. I used to do some analysis with it, but I mean, I found the tools that I like, and I just kind of stick with that. Itchy, I've seen, like, in higher time frame especially, people using it very successfully. Ichimoku. Yeah, there's so many. It's really funny. Yeah.
Run it up, run it up, run it up, run it up, turn it up, turn it up.
Yeah, you use it at all, Angel of Death, or you just nerding out on it? Yeah, a lot of those moves are happening in ETH recently. It's because the institution's been selling since the top. So like New York session has been kind of heavy in a lot of days. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, higher time frames. Yeah, I don't even know if I have it on this whole template. 7505 bullish. Bullshit. Yeah. I mean, to me, I'm not waiting for the ETF lows. Even though we're like at the top of the range, I think that this is another bearish retest. I've been wrong before. Do not trade based on that opinion. That is purely an opinion. It's based on high time frame structure. we start like getting closes, and I mean like daily or a weekly close, like 78 zone. I'll change my tune. I'll change my tune. Well, I think we have a little bit of time anyways. Cleaning highs and go lower, yeah. That's what I'm feeling too, Coke Zero. Yeah, especially the way that ES pulled back and Bitcoin like pushed on the top of the range. It just looked like they had like some business to finish before they did too. But man, it's been holding up here for a very long time. And volume isn't suggesting reaccumulation really that strongly. Yeah, 80K gap on CME. Structurally, like the 74 to 76 5 area is pretty interesting for the like a true bearish retest, like for just structural cleanliness. 80K is going to look a lot more like a reclaim, but it could go all the way to like 85, 84. And still fail. Timing is interesting. Definitely next week. Next week we could see something good. Yeah, Coke Zero. Coke Zero is just like trying to TP. The song's juice. Alright, we gotta hear one. For ES, we are still trading below GEX. I mean for S&P. But we get above that. Coke's been in the PSG boot camp for some time now. Hey, how about that? Oh, I'm thinking in the next half hour we might just close below and push above. That's just, I've been here before. It's not like I'm so bullish. I just long this. I know that it's gonna go up. Dude, we see it so much. They just like pixel front run and then they clean or break out in the subsequent candle. If it pulled back and like, I would have been more bullish for like higher. Shorts are closing. Yeah. We could get a nice little run though. Nice little run. Shorts are closing, huh? Yeah, that was the invalidation, I think. Breaking out from value previous day. How about developing value? Oh, It did complete a full rotation. The 80% setup. Oh, closed inside on this one too. Rotate, bounce at POC, trade around it, complete the rotation. So there's your 80% setup. And rotate back to the other side. I know it was a small range. Small range. Barely $1,000. Because a lot of this move happened outside of RTH. After the close, really. Look at that juice. Not that much shorts are closing though, Coke. Exclamation XO. No, dude. Nope. I don't know what that is.
Woke up to the charts. Didn't check the time, just saw the flow.
Some bitch. Yeah, all those bottom shorts did kind of fuck it up for the shorters, didn't it? Oh, we're breaking down. They just trying to TP. Kachoya pipelines. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Shout out to the longers. My shorts, my shorts. 1.25 from the 68. Yeah.
Dawn about to break. Asia closing out, I clear my view. Sessions over.
75786 from this run.
Now I scale it back and let it breathe. Every piece aligns inside the sleeve. Blatant.
We'll say from this 69 fucking green candles in a row. What's the Lordy Chaplain? I'm sorry to hear it, brother. Hopefully it wasn't too painful. Yeah, 78. That high right there isn't that good. At 79. It's kind of like gap fill territory. I could see this being resistance. Quite a bit. 76.8. God, it's so fucking messy. I was looking at developing. Yeah, point of control, previous point of control, pretty much same range. I probably had too many on here. Tap back in, potentially. Maybe the following candle. I'm waiting for the candle to close. I'm waiting for that candle to close. I'm not just blinding. All right, we're gonna send it off in a minute. Shout outs to all the Lions. Oh, I need to change my freaking icons. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 30-minute to close, at least.
work opens, all my signals start to chirp. Cold focus, don't hit my line. Mindset on, do not disturb. You can mimic if you want.
See what happens here on CME. Yeah, really, that's the high. That's all we need to care about. And that's 74. That's from way back. Do them shorts dirty from earlier? Yeah. That's the idea, though. That's the idea. Stop out the shorts. I mean, how many times have you experienced that? Where you were like right on the move but wrong on the timing? It's a challenge. Let's go, Time Raccoon. How's everything going for you? Hey, shout out to Code Zero. Thank you for the gift sub. Chaplain. Let's go. Code Zero juicing. I Banshees juicing. I Banshees, are you still here? You want some last minute TA? We kind of looked at some different things today, but relevant. FOMC tomorrow is going to be so fun. I can't wait. I can't wait for the data. The presser's going to be fun. The stream is going to be a blast. Y'all make sure you're here.
How can I miss a trade?
We're going to be having a who juicing
Sniped entry on a drop.
right beforehand.
No sweat.
Exclamation
Analyzing charts, I
dashboard.
say that I love this. No regret. The market's global, trades running every day.
I'm waiting for the candle to close for confirmation of a swing failure. Yep. Yeah, Code Zero. Pretty much source. That's what they're waiting for. Yeah, candle closes and volume are the strongest and simplest confirmation tools. And then you look at order flow and other data. Really? I know it sounds too easy. It really is like that. That's a thing of beauty, though. I mean, not if you just long that. Breakout longs, just so you know. So let's say that you took that, just like the initial stop buy order. That is the lowest probability trade that you can take. Even though they work out sometimes, it is a difficult thing to do successfully. Support and resistance, trend lines defined. Executing trades with precision and grace. Risk managed wisely, no capital misplaced. Emotions in check, discipline my guide. I just want to see it close below this level. Learning from losses, ego set aside. Reflecting post-trade journaling. Yeah, that sets up the retracement. Yeah, some people probably shorted this. You know, like the tuck back in. That's aggressive. I'm on stream. I can't like be locked in like that. The market's global, trades running every day. No reset. How can I miss a trade? But I know that. Yeah, closing below the POC, that would be nice. Close here, first and foremost. That's just like for your entry. Closing below here, that's even better, but you get the close down here, retest like settlement or something, and that's what will give you the fuel to at least trade back into the gap. Usually drops 4 to 7% after FOMC.
Yeah, Kimba, Testnet, Juice Gang.
Yeah, I'd have to see the data or do the back test on that. That's pretty interesting, huh? It did bounce off a settlement. I mean, it traded through it, right? It retested it, it went down. You come back again, that looks like a failure. Grabbing that single print now. You got VWAP and settlement, TPO point of control, and open, RTH open, all as, oh, and of course single print as potential support. So Coke Zero, that is, and weekly VWAP. It's smart. It's smart to be looking for below point of control. Yeah, that would be really juicy for the retracement setup. That's gonna look like a whole lot more of a rejection. Yeah, I like POC or PDEQ just for like a little shave. Bounces there are common. Sometimes VWAP, it depends on how far it is. Depends on its relationship with the point of control. Mark Lou. Not to fill the gap. Yeah, Coke Zero said it pretty well. Yeah, even taking that, I would be shaving a little bit here. And then next TP, like right before the low, take a little more off. Start closing in the gap. Next TP is gap fill. Yeah, but I would just like ladder them. Ladder them today. I have a strong notion that we, even if this is the top, that we're still gonna just hang around here until tomorrow. That's my suspicion. Fees and make it a free roll, yeah.
My baby wants a Bugatti. She been asking me for so long. Crypto wallets.
Yeah, we just got several levels of support below before that were to happen. Wessel. Full single print grab. I can't really go until like the full candle close, y'all. That's looking pretty good. Is that the 7505 bullshit? Fredward, were we too early? And then up to the golden pocket, you motherfuckers. Got him. Shorts didn't really close, huh? And they're coming back in. You motherfuckers. We can't predict the future. Yes, but we can prepare for it, can't we? Exclamation prepared. He just told us to be prepared. That was Seamus. Yeah. It's common, Coke. It's common. It kind of depends on like where the range is trading. Sometimes they just kind of like grind it until until the meeting. But there is quite a bit of room for de-risking into it. And there's a lot of time. We got more than 24 hours. We got like 27 hours almost. I know, Mark Lou. Luck is preparation plus opportunity. So is success. Shout out to Benjamin Franklin. Let's go. Fredward. Ben Franklin, one of my favorite presidents. My favorite president. What? All three. That's right, Fredward. Let's get it. I'm framing that, dude. That's so funny. Yeah, we were just talking about that. I think we're gonna just like kind of consolidate and arrange until the meeting. That's my bias. We're looking for breaks and closes in either direction. We're prepared for everything. That was a short setup that we just got this morning. We got a short setup last night. Scalp long right off the open. Previous day value area low. We're trading in previous day value, consolidating above prior value area levels, previous week and previous month. And there is plenty of time to chop around. We have plenty of run. That isn't that bearish. Closing inside here, not that bad. Closing inside on a daily time frame is looking a lot less good for continuation higher. But that's daily time frame. I mean, look, we are 9 hours from the daily candle right now, just for today. And we got news, a major, like pretty much the biggest event of the next 6 weeks as far as Fed numbers are concerned tomorrow. And we have quarterly options on Friday. So there is lots of data to come in. Oh no, the Nigerian quant. Well, I mean, he is buying. I sent him some money because he said that the prince was kidnapped and needed to be bailed out or something. Yeah, I hope he's okay. I hope he's okay. Dude, I know, Fredward. It's never gonna get old. Shout out to Mark. Shout out to Fredward. Yeah, we gotta go check on him. Chachapoyas. Oh my goodness, Baratina. We're gonna just like not say that one. That's a huge cachoya. I'm from the US. Mark Lou. Yeah, but I'm currently in Palau. Shout out to maybe Band-Aid. Shout out to my Palau neighbors. Exclamation Palau. Dude, I'm having too much fun this morning. I need to save some of this. I'm actually super tired, but I'm having a good time with y'all. Thanks, Lions. Thanks for amazing. East Coast, Virginia. So midway down. Yeah, Automod's looking into it. Look, I worked with a lady from Iran a long time ago, and a lot of those places over there everybody serves in the military. And she was fucking hard. She was hard. You would not want to mess around with her. Yeah, I know, Valentina. He did say that. He was talking about the price though, right? Yeah, she was a good lady. But man, she did not fuck around. I know, I'm not crying, you crying. That's right. That's right, Valentina. Hey, shout out to you, brother. Hope everything. Wait, you said something about Florianopolis. Didn't you? 26 there. That sounds like a beautiful day. I know. Weather's all over the place for us. It's common this time of year. Like it wants to be springtime, but it doesn't know what to do. It sounds like a beach day. Wessel, for the Wise Lion, did you have the YouTube subscription? I don't know. Do a support ticket in the Discord. Maybe they can get to the bottom of it and help you out. Yeah. To my understanding, yes, Token Tickler. There's a lot of places that are like that, though. But that's not tax or financial advice. Sunflower microgreens, nice. Sun is blessing. Yeah, I got some crops coming in. Fresh snow in Toronto, fuck's sake. Let's get it, JV. Dude, that's like the pixel top. Yeah, NFT, YouTube Lion King, or Discord VIP. I mean, you wait long enough, Soul's gonna be like $1, so it'll be pretty cheap. Right. Hey, CoinWise, you have crypto payments, so, you know, and some other tools also allow crypto payments, so like, before you get taxed on it, you know, get things that are gonna juice you up. That's pretty awesome. Shays, hey, shout out to you, brother. Hope you have a great day. Yeah, again, I thought that was pretty funny that you won back on the talent show and didn't even know about it. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, I can't wait to see the Battle Royale. I hope you juice on that, though. Talent show coming up later. Yeah, JV, I really am so bad with that, but you can ask. Oh no, Bono! Juicing right at the end? Hey, get your Hermes umbrellas out. Let's get it. Thank you, Ono Bono. Hey, get your umbrellas out. I got my Walmart umbrella. Y'all get your Hermes umbrellas out. Curvy's got his Gucci. My Walmart umbrella, but I like wrote with a Sharpie Balenciaga on it, so it looks legit. Let's go. Hey, Crypto Craze. Get it. That's awesome, Ono Bono. You're digging the levels. Much love. Hey, make sure that you thank him if you just juiced up. JB was asking about TPO weekly. It changes. It changes, especially with your tick size. If it's TPO, I like to stick with like the 30-minute profiles and then do the let me see if I can do it. TPO. So wait, you said weekly? So that's Monday, Sunday. Let's just do it like this real fast. Hold on. I forgot how to do it. It's been a while since I did it.
Till next time.
It won't even let me click them. God damn it. Turn levels off really fast. I'm not gonna save it, so. Yeah, we're gonna make it to that 30-minute close after all. Sunday. Merge with previous. Where's the monthly? Monday. Okay, all the way to here. EXO, and I think Addis does it too, that you can do a fixed range TPO. It's pretty interesting. I like volume better though if I'm gonna do like these type of profiles. Okay, so that's the week. Turn that off. And let's see our, yeah, and I have it on big tick size. That point of control. Traded a lot in that area. I don't know if that's helpful. But for many of these, and actually, shout outs to Cage, shout outs to the whole team. But there is something that is being developed that can address this. But your value areas are going to shift a little bit on TPO and volume based on the time frame that you're viewing. There is a fix for this, though. Potentially. Let's go. Let's go, iBanshees. Let's go, Mogs. But that, like, it keeps it a little bit more accurate if you're merging the profiles rather than, like, looking at the weekly profile, I think. You can have lower tick size. Yeah, it seems to work a little bit better. That's how you got the pixel short. That's juice. Pixel value area high, nice. Yeah. I'll go back to the 60K. Yeah, let me do it. You're in Wise Lions, aren't you? I'll see if I can squeeze that in and get it off stream. I really gotta close it out. When you close red and you in the money, let's go. 4 hour. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go back to that. Man. Maybe. Yeah. I'd like to see it close below that. Below the weekly open. On the 4 hour, if we're really like looking for lower. You know how it is on these days though, Coke. Hey, I hope you have a great day also, Coke Zero. I hope all the Lions have a great day. JV, you're in Wise Lions, right? Uncle KZ. Hey, Blake. God bless your family as well. Thank you. We just ran through all of that doing some extra TA. Hey, Barentina, have a wonderful day. Mark, We'll just listen to one more. But I gotta send it off. Hey, stick around. You better stick around for this juicy new intro. I'm using it for the outro today too, because I love it. Shout outs, Housty. Shout outs to the entire team. Shout outs to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise, 14-day free trial. Tomorrow is gonna be so juicy with FOMC. Yeah, be there. Exclamation dashboard. Exclamation BTCC. We got a talent show coming up later today. Make sure that you're here. Possibly Kimba live trading. Keep your eyes on the Discord. Exclamation Discord. If you want some juicy merch, exclamation merch. Space trade, exclamation space trade. Trading competition on BLOFIN. Shouts to BLOFIN. Shouts to KCEX for the depot bonuses there as well. Much love to the entire team. CoinWise, Kimba, and all of you Lions. Karoon, Il Pasoto, Uncle, I19, Mozzie, Grind Minister, Nitrogen. Shoutouts to PSG. Hey, Fredward, thanks for being here. I'm looking forward to tomorrow also. It's gonna be juice. It's gonna be juice. Yeah, should be a lot of fun. We got Bingo coming up tomorrow. We got Who Juicing coming up tomorrow. Potentially Kimba live trading as well. Talent show this afternoon. Yeah, this place just keeps getting better and better. Always Curvies, much love. Shay's Anatomy. Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Congratulations to you, Shays. Alright, cool. Shout outs, JV. Hey, juice up. Valentina. Bulls, Bears, we're all Lions. If you don't use a stop loss, that's gonna slap the shit out ya. But at least we'll get some good content for Who Juicing. Exclamation Who Juicing. Catch y'all in the Discord and in the talent show later. And then, of course, I will see you tomorrow afternoon, 30 minutes before the numbers drop. Gonna be juice. All right, much love, y'all. Chaplain, Curvies, Mozzie, Psycho Hunter, Nitrogen. Hey, big cheers to PSG. Maestro, Kagam, MJ, Karoon, Ed's Cognitive. Much love, y'all. Have a wonderful day. Samuel. All right, I'm out of here. Mark, Pedro, hey Blade. A big thank you once again. Big thank you to Ono Bono. Shoutouts Coke Zero, maybe Band-Aid, and to iBanshees for spreading the love. Love y'all. But I love each and every one of the Lions. All right, Time Raccoon, have a great day. Big cheers. All right, peace out, y'all. Catch you later.
It's Mandalo.
Early morning levels without a doubt. I'm nerding and we nerding out. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market out for the Lions is ready. CoinWise, Sammy and Salmon, we steady. Deep cheers when the knot is connecting. Wise Lions studying with patience. Mandalo. In the morning, I'm nerding and we're nerding out. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling the zones in the structure. Pre-market nerd out. That's all that we about. Shout out to CoinWise. Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. Why you be all on the trot if you rushing? Why you not marking the levels of soaking? Wise Lions patient, we build it for structure. Mandalo teaching the code to the public. CoinWise outfits flowing abundance. Knowledge and discipline stacking the hundreds. Every reaction the Lions know how I'm coming. Lions per air when candles start pumping. Before the bell ringing, the Lions on a mission. Studying candles, levels, and timing with precision. A boobalito in any market condition. CoinWise with Kimba Lions dominating the competition. We got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We set them. We set them. Pre-market off for the we stay. Big cheers with the knowledge connecting, wise lions studying with patience. Mandalo, in the morning, I'm dirty now, we nerdy now. Early morning levels without a doubt. Calling this all in the structure, pre-market nerd out. This all that we about. Shout out Nicole and why? Cause we got levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels on levels. We settle.